Cleaning the kitchen is one of those chores we all have to do, right? But sometimes we don't realize we're missing some spots. Here are 5 common cleaning mistakes people make when cleaning the kitchen and some simple tips on how to fix them. Number 3 gave me chills, y'all. The first time I saw this, you will have to run and check just in case. Stay tuned to find out. Let's do this. Number 1, not cleaning the stove knobs properly. When cleaning the stove, we often just wipe the visible parts of the knobs and forget about the areas behind them, which can get really dirty over time. Did you know that most stove knobs can actually be pulled off easily like this? See what I mean? Look at all the grease, food dyes, and grime hiding back there. Not great, right? Here's a simple way to clean the knobs and where they are touched. First, fill a bucket with warm water and add a few drops of dish soap. This will be for damp cleaning. Next, take a damp but not drippy microfiber towel and wipe down the knobs and their attachment areas until they're sparkling clean. So depending on how your knobs are designed, another way of cleaning them is to soak them in warm soapy water, scrub with a sponge or cleaning brush, then rinse and dry them before putting them back. I'm not doing that on mine because they have small tiny holes like these ones here that may keep water and not dry faster. This is not safe if attached back to power. Hey, did you know I also did a whole series on common toilet cleaning mistakes people make when cleaning and how to fix them? You can check it out right here. And I'll also drop the link in the description box below. Now put the knobs back in place and give everything a nice shiny finish. And look how everything is now neat and shiny. Amazing! Number 2, not cleaning the hidden parts of the cabinets. When cleaning the kitchen, we often focus on cleaning the front of our cabinet doors. This is something I learned late in life. So one day I was cleaning my kitchen cabinets and for some reason I randomly looked underneath them. I wasn't even sure what I was looking for. But to my surprise, the area under my cabinets, especially near the stove, was super dirty, y'all. Dust, grease, and grime love to settle there, creating a sticky layer that's too easy to ignore or miss since it's out of sight. So here's what you can do. Grab some crud cutter degreaser. It's one of my go-to cleaning products. Not only is it non-toxic, but it gets the job done with less effort on your part. Spray it on a damp but not dripping microfiber towel and start cleaning. Look how easily crud cutter is breaking down the grease. No heavy scrubbing needed here. If you don't have crud cutter, no worries. You can mix warm water with a few drops of dish soap, dampen your microfiber towel with that solution and clean the area. This will help break down the grease and grime. Once you've wiped it down, go over again with a damp microfiber towel and then finish up with a dry one. And just like that, look at the difference. You're welcome.
If you're getting any value from this video, maybe hit that like button so the video may spread more people. Thank you for supporting my mom.
Number 3, under the kitchen faucet. This is what I was talking about earlier. The area under the kitchen faucet is another spot that often gets missed when cleaning. As you can see here, this faucet has a mix of hard water deposits and some seriously nasty build-up, and this one is pink bacteria. In some cases, mold can even grow if the faucet is not cleaned regularly. Now that's scary. Listen, one of our viewers shared a story about a family that kept getting sick, and when they called in a plumber, he found a completely disgusting aerator, this little part of the faucet here. It was so bad, it looked like there were worms growing inside. Ew, that's gross, yo. And that turned out to be the source of the problem. So here's what you want to do. If your faucet isn't removable from the hose like this one, Pour some vinegar in a Ziploc bag, just enough to cover the base, about 2 tablespoons, and secure it with a rubber band. The vinegar will help to soften the hard water deposits and make cleaning easy. But check every 30 minutes or so, since some hard water stains come off quicker, especially if they are not that old. This way you won't oversoak the faucet. After removing the bag, you can already see the difference. If your faucet is removable from the hose, I already made a video on how to clean it. Check the link in the corner of the screen or the description box below. Comment the word more if you want part 2 of this video. Look at that, all the hard water deposits and nasty dirt is completely gone. Look at the difference. Amazing. Number 4, using the wrong cleaning products on countertops. It's easy to grab whatever cleaner is nearby, but some can actually damage your surfaces. For instance, bleach and vinegar or abrasive scrubbers can dull the finish on granite, quartz, or marble over time. The key to cleaning and keeping your countertops looking great is knowing what type you have and using the right cleaner. I wanted a client who remodeled their kitchen and she had granite countertops. The manufacturer advised her to use a mix of water and a few drops of dish soap when cleaning them. From my experience as a pro cleaner, I totally agree with that. This simple mix also works perfectly for surfaces like quartz and marble. But if you prefer store-bought cleaners, make sure they are designed for your specific countertops to avoid any damage. A little extra care now can save you a lot of money in repairs down the road, my friend. Number 5, not cleaning the window by the kitchen sink. Look how dirty it gets, not good at all. The outside of this window tends to collect all sorts of dirt, including things like bird droppings, so it definitely needs a good thorough cleaning. So mix some water with a few drops of dish soap and clean the window with a towel and dry with a squeegee. Note when cleaning the windows, the water doesn't have to be warm so as to avoid any streaks. For the inside, spray your window cleaner, wipe with a microfiber or glass cleaning towel, and then flip to the dry side to polish. Pay extra attention to the tight areas around the frame. You can use a small detail brush to clean. And just like that, look at the difference. All the water stains and dirt is completely gone. You can try this at home. By avoiding these common cleaning mistakes and adding these simple fixes to your routine, you keep your kitchen cleaner and more inviting. A few extra minutes of attention can make all the difference in maintaining a fresh and hygienic kitchen space. Check out the next video I suggest for more valuable content and share this video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.